An emergency kit is a collection of essential supplies and equipment that can help you and your family survive in the aftermath of a disaster. Here are some items to consider including in your emergency kit. Food and water. Pack enough non-perishable food and water to last at least 3 days for each person and pet. First aid kit. Include basic first aid supplies such as bandages, gauze, tape, antiseptic wipes, and pain relievers. Emergency lighting. Pack a flashlight and extra batteries. Consider including a hand-cranked or battery-powered radio for updates on the situation. Personal hygiene items. Pack items such as toothbrushes, toothpaste, soap, and feminine hygiene products. Warm clothing and blankets. Pack enough clothing such as warm jackets, gloves, and hats, as well as blankets. Cash and important documents. Pack a small amount of cash and important documents such as identification, insurance policies, and bank account information. Tools and supplies. Pack a basic toolkit, including a wrench to turn off utilities, a knife, and a multi-tool. Medications. Pack any necessary medications and medical supplies. Special needs items. If anyone in your family has a special need, such as an infant or a senior, make sure to include items specifically to their needs. Pet supplies. Pack food, water, and any necessary medications and supplies for your pets. It is important to regularly review and update your emergency kit to ensure it remains complete and relevant. Make sure everyone in your family knows where the emergency kit is located and what it contains.